Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So market's been open about 10 minutes. And no trades or anything like that. You can see, if you're not familiar with my screen, no orders, nothing has happened here. If I do start to make trades, that's where those windows will be populated. So just watching this one right now as it comes down and maybe looking to play it from the short side with some puts. If you have no idea what I mean by that, I am looking to do options. And if you're interested in learning more about options, just comment, excuse me, I have a cold. But just comment down below, guide or options guide, and I will link you to a completely free class. It'll walk you through called the big basis of options. Sometimes options have a complicated reputation. They're very advanced and intimidating. They don't have to be. They can be made very advanced, but they don't have to be, and I approach them in more of a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things too, then I'm confident you'll find value in that guide. But I will pause the recording software for now, and if I start to see a setup, I will get things rolling. Okay, looking to play a call here at 58.50 here. No, I don't like how it's hesitating right above where I'd want to get in at. It did bounce, but that's I would not have been filled as you see me sitting there. And it's looking like if I want to get filled at 58.50, it would have to be after breakout's already started. And I don't like that location to get filled at. All right, I'll pause the software. Okay, going to go for a put here at 53. Want to see how it might have been a tad too late. All right, I'm going to keep a close eye on it. I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 52.50 here for a put. Nope, hesitating a bit too much. So at this point, I'm just going to wait, see if I can get a bigger bounce up to these, all these congestion of lines up around here. So yeah, I'm feeling good about that to cancel it out. Yeah, all right, yep. Feeling very good in what I did there. See if we can just get a little bit more of a move upwards, another 15 cents or so. I'll keep a close eye on it and I'll pause for now. Have an order at 49.10. I was on best bid. It's close. Let's see if it wants to come back up there. I'm watching this number down here. I want to see that go to 49.10, a little bit below. And if I get filled, that order right there will change from white to green, which means I got filled. See, it just needs to come up a bit more. Oh, come on. You saw me, I was so close. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe again here. Come on. In at 49.10 for a put. See what it wants to do here. Let's see it break down and roll back over here. You're going to want to see if it wants to roll back down a bit. Got to get down through 461.30. So just taking 10 bucks there. I think I gave that thing plenty of time. And some funny irony if it now finally comes down. But I waited, and it's not really budging. In my mind, it should have come down already. So it became basically a 50-50 shot. And I'm not here to take 50-50 gambles. And it still may come down, right? But I felt as though my edge was disappearing, and it was basically at the 50-50 coin flip part. And at that point, you know, like I said, I'm not here to gamble. I'm not here to just flip a coin. So I just took my 10 bucks. And like I said, it may still come down, but I feel there's just as much chance it could, you know, head back up. But all right, it is what it is. I'll go ahead and pause. So yeah, I held and I realized I could have been up way more than $10 had I taken it, but I was trying to give it a chance. And now it is coming down here, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. I will go ahead and pause. We're going to try for a put here at 48.50. Nope. No, I do not like how it's just sitting there. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 58 here for a put. In at 58 for a put. And I'm in at 58. Okay, I'm in lost control mode right now. I can't even get out at 57.80. Come on. So a $20 loss on that one. I don't even know if I should keep on trading. This is just kind of some garbage. Well, it's not garbage action because that first one, I was there. It just never quite rolled over. It did come down a little bit, but you can see then just came back up. And even that one finally got filled and it went up right through. Oh. All right, so I'm now down $10 on the day. Okay, I have an order at 54.50 here. Try 54.30. No, I don't like. It keeps stopping right below or right in front of where I want to get in. Let's try 53.50. And that's what's cost me the last couple of them. I'm not moving my orders down, and then it's putting me at a disadvantage. All right, I'll pause. I will say I'm glad I took that loss on that one, because if I gotten stubborn or something like that, I mean, this thing has just continued to come higher and higher. So that $20 loss actually feels very, very good. Because you look back and say, wow, that would have been a much, much bigger loss than $20. So that's, I mean, losing is still annoying. Don't get me wrong. It's never fun to learn. But I will say that when you see this sort of movement here happen after you get out, that loss feels like a pretty big winner. All right, I'm at 51.50 currently. We'll see if the price wants to come up. Looking to get filled right up around that blue line, give or take. But I'll pause for the time being. Okay, going for a put here at 41. All right. As is the case is with the other ones, if you notice, as soon as I get filled, basically it's breaking out and I've been underwater and I've had to go into these awkward spots that I don't like to be in. So once again, that was seemingly going to be the case where if I wanted to get filled at 41, it was going to require essentially right at the breakout. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, going to go for 40.50 here. Nope. Go down to 39.50 at this point. I might just call it. I might just call it good. I'm not sure what's. I mean, I know what's going on. It's just these kind of slow, steady grind type moves make things a bit more challenging. All right, I'll pause. I have an order at 41 here for a put. Once again, just refuses to. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for a put here at 49.50. Got that at 49.50. So hard to even get out now at 49.80. Yeah. I think, I'm just hesitating right now. Should I be done or not? Let me know in the comment section, because this is real time. Do you think I should just shut it down right now? Just yes or no in the comment section. If you feel like giving a reason, I'm all ears. But this just seems way more difficult than it needs to be. Should throw an order at 47. Now, if it can shoot up there and hit me at 47, great. So clearly I'm not done right as of now, but to be fair, at least it's getting some sort of nice movement here. Let's see if we can build a little bit more momentum. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Look at that. Is there, no, it's random time. That was weird. All right, well, I am back green on the day. But wow. And the thing is, a couple of days ago, I mean, it was such smooth sailing. Every trade, you know, I literally had a couple of trades that took less than 1 second, and that's not an exaggeration. I got filled, I went over and I clicked sell, and I was instantly out. So, you know, the time it took me to drag my cursor over to sell and click it, I mean, which was under 1 second, I mean, out already. And that happened, I think I had like 5 trades, I think, and I'm not exaggerating again, I think the longest one lasted 10 seconds. But today, as you've seen, just the polar opposite. And that's how it goes sometimes. So, I mean, it's not you if you're like, is it me or is it my imagination that the market just seems real challenging compared to another day? No, it's not you. We all have these sorts of days, and I'm definitely having one right now. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 44.50 here for a put. Try 44.30. See if it snaps down through 44.50 and then $43.70 at this point. All right, I'll pause. Well, I missed that, but in a blink of an eye, it just collapsed down. Wow. In fact, I'm going to cancel that out because I don't know if there's some sort of news or something where this thing could all of a sudden just snap and go crazy against me. So yeah, that order's canceled out there. That was pretty crazy. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 47.20. Got that. 47.20 put. See what it wants to do here. See if it wants to try to come down at all. And I'm going to pause because I know the video is already relatively long to begin with. So I'm going to just watch it because as you can see here, not the quickest of movers. And just, I don't think I caught on video, but got out for 100 something. I don't, a little bit more. I guess I can do the math real quick. $120 loss. So now I'm down $100 on the day. And, yeah, for any of you that said earlier, I should have stopped, I'd say you were right. I mean, fine entry, but it's just the price action itself. You see, I just kept grinding higher and higher. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 41.70 here. This is some good action here happening. Okay, let's try 41.50 now, just through a snap up through that area. All right, I'll pause because I know this video is already long. All right, I made another trade. I didn't even get the video rolling because it was just once again garbage, and the video is long enough, and I figured today was just not a good day. So I think I'm going to title this video, Should I Have Stopped or Not? If you said way back when, and you didn't cheat, and you said, Clay, I think you should stop right now, you were correct. And I don't even know what to call a day like this, but if you've ever had one of these days, you know what, you are not alone. So that's all I have. If you appreciate the transparency, I don't want to put this on YouTube. I really don't. I realize it makes me look like a total clown, but I was a clown today. But that's just how it goes, at least for me. I guess I can't speak for every single trader. Maybe some days, or some traders never have any clown days. But this was a clown day for me. So if you've ever had clown days, you are not alone. There's at least 2 of us in the universe that have clown days every now and then. So if you've ever had a clown day, I don't know, comment below clown. We can maybe get an idea of how many people have had clown days. But that's all I have for you. So it is what it is. Like I said, if you appreciate the transparency, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. And hopefully in future ones, it'll be a bit smoother than this. But sometimes this is just how it goes. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.